Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we're going to talk about daily stock market update, and we will figure out, is it bearish market trend, what's going on with the stock market world on daily time frame. As usually, let's move to 5 rules of risk management. Please read it and follow it every single trade and you will be successful. Now it's a time for V-Bull. Let's move to V-Bull. Index charts, and looks like today all indexes, Dow Jones, S&P and Nasdaq, started flat, was huge volatility, moved up positive bullish, and they closed flat. Now let's move to my watch list and we will do technical analysis review. If you want to learn more about V-Bull setup, just go to the description. There is the link about V-Bull setup training and other links about all my trainings. You can very quickly learn it. Now let me mention how it works and let me mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages. White line it's MA 200, purple line it's MA 100, blue line it's MA 50, yellow line it's MA 20, red line it's MA 10, green line it's MA 5. MACD indicator lines and RSI indicator lines, awesome oscillator bars. That's all, very simple. It's not easy because emotions involved. If you follow the indicators, you will be successful because indicators do not have emotions. Let me show you here. You see MA5 green line did bearish crossover over 10. It is entry position for short. When bars below MA5, it is bearish reversal signal. When bars above MA5, it is bullish reversal. You see MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It is bullish reversal signal. From that point, DXY, it was bullish and still last bar. Even today it was negative minus -0.25%. It still sits at MA5 level. It's still bullish in the bullish territory. Still in the bullish territory. Bullish trend for USA dollar. Qs, let's start Qs daily time frame. Let me a little bit maximize it. Qs MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 a week ago, and today bar moved below MA20. All indicators bearish, position of the bar bearish below 20, it's a bearish trend. Let's see 4 hours time frame. Similar on 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20, and last bar closed below MA5, 10, 20 and 100, still at MA50 level. Bearish trend on all indicators. 1 hour time frame. It did bullish reversal today on 1 hour time frame, and for 3 hours it was bullish reversal, and 4 hours it was bearish reversal back. Still kind of, yeah, MA5 still about 10, still kind of positive on 1 hour time frame. VXN volatility index for Nasdaq plus 1.5%. Still negative daily time. Let's see daily. MA5 still below 10, still bearish, still negative. No fear on the market for Nasdaq 100. Let's move to S&P 500, SPX. Also flat market today. Let's start daily time frame. Same like Qs, right? MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and over 50 a week ago. And today bar closed below 20. Bearish confirmed territory, bearish reversal signal, all indicators bearish. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 and last bar below 5, 10 and 20 and 100. Still above 50, but bearish reversal trend. 1 hour time frame. Similar like Qs, it did bounce today for 3 hours and did bearish reversal for 3 hours, and it closed below all moving averages. It's in a bearish territory, bearish position. Now let's move to VIX, right? Let's see VIX. VIX minus 1.5%, also today similar like VXN. Still MA5 below 10, last bar still below 20, still bearish territory. No fear on the market for S&P 500. Dow Jones, DIA, also kind of flat today, daily time frame. MA5 still above 10, last bar still above below MA5, but MA5 still above 10. It's kind of bullish signal, still bullish signal on daily time frame. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish reversal. It did bearish crossover over 10. Last bar still above 20. It's kind of still in positive territory. Even it did bearish crossover, but still in a positive territory because still above 20. 1 hour time frame, it did bearish crossover. Actually, today it did bullish crossover and it did bearish reversal. Last bar closed below all moving averages. Now let's move to VXD, volatility index for Dow Jones. VXD plus almost 4% today. Still bearish, still no fear on the market, also still extreme greed. IWM, Russell 2000, daily time frame, red bar, it stopped at MA 200 again. Each time it stopped at MA 200, it did bounce. I believe in this case it will continue bearish trend and it will do bearish crossover over 200. We'll see. So far it is bearish. 4 hours time frame, MA5, 10 and 20 did bearish crossover over 200. It is negative bearish. 1 hour time frame, MA5, yeah, last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend on all indicators for IWM. Apple was positive today. Let's move to Apple. Today Apple was positive plus 1.6%. Green bar still, yeah, it moved above MA5, still below 10. Still, yeah, still didn't close that gap down. It left gap down, multiple actually. 1, 2, 3 gap downs. Kind of on indicators, still trend is bearish. Trend is still bearish on daily time frame. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours MA5 did bearish bullish crossover. All indicators did bullish crossover. Last bar stopped at MA20 level. MA20 did bearish crossover over 250. It is very negative, very bearish. I believe it will be rejected from this level. 1 hour time frame, it did nice bullish bull run with gap up, and it touched MA200 and was rejected from MA200. We'll see, will MA200 hold it and as a resistance and will reject it, or it will continue bullish trend to close this gap. So far it is still positive on 1 hour time frame. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla 1 hour time frame, bearish crossover, last bar close below MA5, 10, 20 and 50 bearish trend on all indicators. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Also it stopped at MA20, all indicators gave bearish crossover. Still above MA20, it is still in a positive territory. For full confirmation, we need to move bars below 20. Bearish reversal, but still in a positive territory. Daily time frame, bearish bar, but signal still positive because MA5 didn't make bearish crossover yet. All indicators except awesome oscillator still bullish. For Tesla. Nvidia. Let's move to Nvidia. Nvidia negative rate. MA5 did bearish crossover a week ago over 10, 20, 50 and last bar below all moving averages except 100, 200. Bearish trend on daily. On 4 hours time frame, same story, last bar below all moving averages except 200, bearish trend. 1 hour time frame, MA5 did bullish crossover, last bar still below all moving averages. Yeah, it did have some bounce, but still in the negative territory. Still in very bearish and negative territory for Nvidia. Now let's move to Microsoft. Microsoft 1 hour time frame. It was bearish trend. Last couple hours it did touched MA200 and looks like it wants to bounce from it. So far it is still bearish. 4 hours time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20. Last bar stopped at MA200 level. Bearish trend, bearish crossover on all indicators. Daily time frame. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and last bar closed below 20. It is bearish reversal signal on daily time frame for Microsoft. Amazon, let's start Amazon daily time frame, still bullish. RSI already did bearish crossover and awesome oscillator, but MA5 still above 10, still bullish. 4 hours time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and last bar closed below 20, already bearish reversal signal on 4 hours time frame. And 1 hour time frame, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 and 50 and closed below all moving averages except 100 and 200. Bearish trend for Amazon. And now Alibaba Group, BABA, 1 hour time frame. It is in the bearish territory below all moving averages, still flat bearish. 4 hours time frame, also MA5 and 10 and bar below all moving averages, still bearish even as MA20 ready for bearish crossover. And daily still bearish, right? Last bar below all moving averages, all indicators bearish. Let's do summary. All indexes, dollar still positive, still bullish. All indexes are already bearish on all time frames, on all indicators. On 1 hour time frame they did bounce, but at the same time they did bearish reversal. Bearish trend on all indicators except Apple. Apple was kind of today positive on 1 hour time frame, right? And 4 hours time frame did bullish crossover. Daily it is still bearish. For Apple still bearish daily also. That's all bearish trend. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational and informational purposes only. Remember, it's no recommendation. And we use it for educational purpose. We are using paper trading simulator. Thank you for watching simple trading style videos. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes and cryptos. Please subscribe for this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.